Group develops automation and decoration solutions for the fast-changing packaging market. Nowadays, fiber molded packaging are getting more and more popular worldwide. Pagès has been offering downstream solutions for pulp packaging for years now. In fact, we found out there was a huge need for decoration solutions that guarantee high-quality printing, sustainability, and competitiveness. Thanks to our expertise and passion for innovation, we are proud to present our latest breakthrough technology that you will soon find on the shelves, molded fiber labeling.